I'll guide you through the top 5 PayPal scams and how to avoid them without falling for common tricks or losing your money. If you're looking to protect yourself from online fraud and secure your transactions, or you want to recognize the red flags of a scam before you become a victim of PayPal scams, then this tutorial will walk you through the complete steps. If you're ready, hit the like button. Let's get started. Here's the top 5 most common PayPal scams and the steps to avoid them. Scam number 1, the phishing scams. This is one of the most common scams. Scammers send fake emails or texts that look identical to a real PayPal message, often with an urgent warning about your account. The goal is to get you to click a link that leads to a fake login page designed to steal your username and password. How to avoid PayPal phishing scams. Never click on links in suspicious emails. Always go to the official PayPal website directly by typing the URL into your browser or using the official app on your phone. Scam number 2, the overpayment scams. This primarily targets sellers. A scammer overpays for an item you're selling, then asks you to refund the extra amount. The original payment is often made with a stolen credit card, and once you send the refund, the initial transaction is reversed and you've lost both the money and your item. How to avoid PayPal overpayment scams. Be very wary of any overpayment. Confirm that the payment has fully cleared in your PayPal account before you ship an item or issue any kind of refund. And refunds should be refunded to the same PayPal account that made the payment. Scam number 3, invoice and money request scams. For this type, scammers exploit PayPal's legitimate invoicing feature by sending you a fake bill for something you didn't order. The invoice might have an alarming message or a fake customer service number to pressure you into paying or calling. How to avoid PayPal invoice and money request scams. Don't pay or call the number on any unexpected invoice. Log in directly into your PayPal account and report the suspicious invoice. Scam number 4, advance fee scams. Here, a scammer promises you a large sum of money, such as a prize or a lottery win, but claims you must first pay a small fee for taxes or processing. Once you pay the fee, the scammer disappears. How to avoid PayPal advance fee scams. Never pay money to receive a promised prize. Legitimate offers do not require you to pay a fee to receive your winnings. Scam number 5, fake charity scams. Sometimes scammers create fake charities or impersonate real ones to collect donations. They often use high-profile events to trick people into donating through PayPal, but the money goes directly to them. How to avoid PayPal fake charity scams. Always research a charity before donating. Verify its legitimacy by checking its official website and avoiding donations through links and unexpected emails. Now that you've learned the top 5 PayPal scams and how to avoid them, please consider subscribing to the channel. If you have any questions, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card to explore more PayPal video tutorials. Thanks for watching.